We are back again. Yeah, I'm still sad about that stream that all dried up. But before we go to Hampshire College Reservoir, we're gonna go somewhere. We're gonna compensate ourselves with something else. We're gonna explore that's not on our list. And Ngawang said he knows one place. We're at the banks of Ngawang Reservoir. It's really peaceful, really beautiful. We're just sitting under the shade, you know. It cools us down because the temperature is really high, and there's a little breeze that makes you more fresh. And the sound of water, the splashing, the sound of water is really peaceful, you know. It just makes you relax. So we're gonna sit here for a few minutes, you know, relax, enjoy the scene. Then we're going to go to Hampshire College Reservoir. Okay, Hampshire Reservoir le diyo. You know, the Hampshire Reservoir. I think I'll give the best rating to the Hampshire Reservoir because the water is much cleaner, and you know, you can jump and you can swim. It's not too bright right now. The temperature is a little low and the water is a little warm. It's not too cold as the other Puffer's Pond and Jumpy Bridge. So we had a good time, and after that, I'm gonna eat. Hampshire College Reservoir, this house room. Now we're gonna go to Amherst downtown and we'll get something to eat. So we decided to eat at Amherst Pizza. I think it's a really popular pizza place in Amherst downtown. But before we go to get some pizza, we're gonna have a little peep at Hampshire College and Amherst College on the way. Now we are entering Hampshire College through Bay Road entrance. So I spent here 4 years. This building is Dakin dorms. Like first year, second year, there's the dining. I forgot the name of the dining. It's almost 5 years now. This is our writing classroom. It's a Greenwich house. This house is like a round, unique shape. It's summer break. There isn't any soul here right now. Hampshire College produced some celebrity students. The most recent I know is Lupita. She's African-American student. And now she's a Hollywood blockbuster. She was in Black Panther. 12 Years of Slave. She's one of the most known Hollywood actress now. So now we are heading towards Amherst College. It's one of the best colleges. All the rich students go there, I think. Popular people I know related to Amherst College is Robert Thurman. He's popularly known to Tibetan people because he is a good friend of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, and he teaches Buddhism. I don't think we're gonna get to Mount Holyoke today. It's on the south side of Amherst. In the library, Robert Frost Library. I went there once. It's really big.
I went there many times.
There you go, that's the Amherst Pizza.
So tasty.
Is it good?
good. Best dinner in the week.
Time to eat the kalasai. So we are just outside the Antonius Pizza, the most popular pizza, and we're also at Amherst downtown. It's really quiet right now. Since there are no 5 college students, this place is really empty. So I got my cheese pizza, and Ngawang got his pepperoni pizza. A very famous pizza. I hope it tastes good. Oh, really good. It's really good. After a whole day of hunting for swim, finally we get something to eat. So now we're almost done with my vlog. So I'm gonna go home, but on the way we will reach Smith College. Give you a little bit information about the Smith College. Oh, it's so good. So that's all. Well, we feel a little bit energized. So now we are in Northampton, the town of Northampton. So before we get to Smith College, we're going through Northampton. It's a small, beautiful town. Right after Northampton ends, we get to see Smith College. Smith College, Museum of Art, and if you see, these are all dorms. That's the main entrance to get into the Smith College. That's the bus stop. So on the both sides, these are all Smith College dorm, I think. As far as I know, Smith College is a women college. It's one of the best colleges in the US. The one thing I know about Smith College is Smith College was one of the first women college that accepted transgender women.
First, President Bush's wife graduated from Smith. I know a state's U.S. senator who graduated from Smith. Yeah, that's about it.
We're done. We're heading towards home. We started this morning around 9 p.m. We had a good day, busy day.
We had a good time. Now it's time to say good night.